Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and selamat datang di Study with Nova. Welcome to Study with Nova. So today I will show you how to solve interesting question. Maybe it is like seems like before that there are class, but it is not inheritance with the parent class, but we must make a class another class. But this is like maybe there are the class is that's about upgrade battery. So the question is, use the final version of electric car.py from this section, from this book. I mean here in the page, maybe there are so many versions actually in this book, but yeah, add a method to the battery class called upgrade battery, and this method should check the battery size and set the capacity to 85 if it isn't already, and then make an electric car with a default battery size. Call get range once and then call get range a second time after upgrading the battery. And then you should see an increase in the car's range. So it is like we have like the codes, we have the parents, and then we have parents class, and then the child class. This is the inheritance, and then we oh yes, the I think I didn't mention that the last week in this privilege year we get, this is the privilege class. This is the name. The name is not inheritance but composition. I think it is I didn't mention that is the name is composition. I forget. Wait a minute. Yes, instance attribute, that is the composition. What is the composition? Is because our class is like a large, and then we want to make it smaller, but make it so detailed. So that's why that's the name is the meaning of here is the composition. So don't forget, this is the name is inheritance because we get the the parent class and the child class. That the meaning is the inheritance here, and then this is the composition. Don't forget. Okay. Let's see how use the final version of the electric car.py for this section, but because we don't have what is the final section here, but the first one I would like to show you how to what is the electric car.py in this book. So I will writing the codes, all of the codes for you. So let's try one. I would like to make a class that is the class car. This is the parent class. So don't forget to make yes. I just wait. Okay, class car is like a simple attempt to represent. Okay, so this is like to represent car, all of the car, to represent car. So this is the class car. Obviously this is the general, for the general. Okay, and then don't forget to just the first one if use init method here, and then don't forget to there are some parameter and then attribute, make model year, and then just only 3, and then here I would like to self that initialize the attribute, and then the same self dot make here is make. Okay, make, and then self dot model here, the model is model, and then self dot year here is here, the same, and then another method. What's another method? I don't know. Okay. Oh my god, there are some the ones the attribute, but they didn't use it like a parameter. The name is self odometer reading. So here self dot odometer reading here as, and then the default value is 0, so this is just like default value, not yeah, there are any. Okay. So I would like to add another method that in the car get descriptive name. Okay, so this is the method that represent about the name here. Okay, and don't forget, so I just want to make sure that in this book there are long name, self-made, memorial, and return a long name and the title. Okay. There are two I don't know what's the difference if I just want to make sure just want to make a printing, and then the second one is you make something like a return, using like a return. What's the differences between two? Because I don't think it is but yeah, I wanna using long name as a variable, and then you just self make and then etc. here self dot make, this the make model and year, self year, a year. Okay I wanna just copy here self year and then model. Is it true? No, make self make here and then self model here. Okay, that is the descriptive name. So if we have like the passing the name, the argument, and then the output will be back to the long name, and then return long name, the title here as a title, and then I think it's okay here. And then after that I just want to make one method. There are read odometer, read odometer just for the odometer, and then okay, this is just only the printf here. This car has self odometer, meter reading news on it. So if we have like a default value is 0, so the output will be this car has 0 miles in it, on it, not in but on. Okay, here then. But if now we want to update, this is the method to update the odometer, and then I want to manage here, and then this is the if else. If mileage is self dot odometer reading, so this car so reading, no way okay, here so the self odometer reading from the default value is 0, and then we can change this from the output. Self dot odometer reading here, oh my god, odometer is odometer reading, because we change this from the new from the mileage, because we want to add here mileage. I'm sorry. But else, print, it is impossible to back to odometer. You can roll back. You can roll back an odometer. Okay, there are so many methods here, but yeah, increment odometer. So increment, wait a minute, yeah, self and then mills here. Okay, the self dot odometer reading is print from the mills. So if we have like a mills much, so that's why the odometer will be much. Yeah, so that's it. That is the parent class. I'm sorry it is like too long for you, but yeah, you can skip whole process, but yeah, get to know the point of the view. Okay, then I would like to say that class, this is the specific just only for the electric car as a car here. So we can say that this is our child class. This is our child class. This is the specific for electric car, and then this is our parent. That is the car. It's for the general car. So here that is the inheritance. Don't forget. Then don't forget you just using init here, and then yes, self, and then it is same like before, like the parameter here, and the self make model here, self, and then you can say make model and year here, and then and then super. Why it is not with the meaning like automatically like before? I don't know. Super dot init, and then make model year here. Okay, done. Okay, let's try the first one. I would like the past argument, right? I would like to, my car is, we want to calling, yes, the electric car here, and then with the make model. Okay, Nissan. I would like to using N in the Nissan is in small, so that we will get the return here as as a title Nissan, and then what is make model, what's the model? Okay, the model is leaf, and the year is 2024. Oh, oh no, 2024 is not string but integer. And then you can say that if I want to print here, and then using your instance my car, and then get the descriptive name, then don't forget here, and then the output will be, that's why the output will be just Nissan in the capital, and then leaf, and then 2024. The output will be here. Where's here, just only using space, there are no comma. Let's try it. I'm sorry if it is like a long, it much easier for me if it is taken too long, but I think it's easier to get what the meaning, to get step by step here, to make sure that the audience is understand, like I am understand. I trying to make you understand that, yeah, the code is like a long way. Okay, Okay, that is the we can calling the child class, and then after that don't forget to the hazy user. So this is we just like we have just only we have like a init method. There are no other methods here, but yeah, I would like to add, and then yeah, there are like a default for you to specific the battery size self with yeah, here size, this size is 40 maybe, because the electric car have a battery right, but the car is we don't have the battery size. So here there are descript battery, there are method here, descript battery, and then self here, and then okay, just only the printing. Car has only what the meaning battery, self the batteries, self the battery size. Oh, sih KWH battery. Okay, done. That is our child class, right? And then don't forget to calling the battery, because we have like a battery size here. Okay, I mean, so excited. I'm sorry. Oh, maybe here, and then you just my car here, and then you just calling, because the car is in the child class, and then you guys just calling the battery, describe battery here, because the output will be this car has only 14 KWH battery. So let's try. That's right, but I think it is like a too long. Let's try it. Okay, done. The second one. Wait a minute. Feel this car doesn't have. No, I don't want operating methods from the parent class. But yeah, I would like to make composition. You know about composition in the 9th age. We have like a specific to battery. We make a class specific to battery only, not only not specific to the car. So I would like to here, I think it is okay for me to just course battery. Okay, I want to change this here. I don't know, in this book there are class like it is. I think class battery say here like this same like before, like privilege here, and then but don't forget to here self dot battery is what I want to change this, the describe battery here, and then here battery here is the battery, because this is the attribute existence, and then you can change this here here because I want to make sure that the information about battery in the class of battery. Okay, describe battery. Okay, but here the battery is just in the init method. Don't forget to def init methods self and the battery size, just so it's okay. here is 40 maybe. It is just like passing the immutable. So battery battery self the sorry guys, here is battery and then delete here and then def describe battery. Okay, good. So okay, my leaf my leaf, but don't forget to, because we have like we have battery, we have here, we will make sure that we calling here, because we cannot make card the describe battery, but we must calling here battery, and therefore this we just can battery but describe battery. Yeah, do you understand? So here I wanna calling the admin privilege is, and then privilege is same. The first one is you calling the instant, and then the second one instant, and then you calling here privilege manager, and then from this is the instant as attribute, and then you calling here as privilege release, or you can calling yes, the method here self privilege here. So I would like to okay, my car here as instance, and then I would like to calling battery here, the electric car, and then you can from here you can calling the describe battery here. It is like at quite work, and then yeah, it is the output will be the same, but it is important because we can describe the battery as much as detail everyone without cluttering the electric car cost. So I hope it's made clear. It's like at it works actually, but yeah. And then I would like to, because the class battery we have like gathering cells, so we have another method here again. I'm sorry, it is like a long journey to get what the meaning to get the code is get range, sorry, get range, and then self here too dizzy, and then if I want using if self dot, this is the output battery size is 40, and then no 40 here, then and then the range is 100, but if the battery size is maybe like 65, and then the range is more than 2025, so the we will printing that this car can go but using range, because here, and then meals on a full charge here. Yep, done. I don't know, is it true, because I somehow this is I wanna changes in this book. The class battery is up in the electric car, so it is like the car, and then the class battery, and then the third one is in the electric car. But I wanna here like this, and then my car, and then battery array, and then get range here. Let's try. This car can go about 100 in a full charge, so it is done. But this method should check the battery size and set the capacity to 85 if it is already. At the method, the battery class upgrade battery, so I would like to upgrade battery here. Def upgrade battery here using self, and then at the method through the battery class called upgrade battery, this method should check the battery size and set the capacity to 85 if it isn't already. So if the battery size set to capacity isn't already, make an electric car with the first battery size, call get ring out. Wait a minute, I don't understand. I think it is like a too much. Then call get range second time after upgrading and the battery, and you shall see an increase in the car's range. So the first one is like the minimum capacity, and then we get add the capacity, and then the output will be yep. It's like a upgrade. That's why the method is like upgrade battery. One using like if else if self dot battery size, because we would like to add to 14. If self battery size is 40, so the self battery size is would like to add to 15 65, else print this car has maximum capacity. This car has maximum battery capacity, I think. Battery capacity. This is the upgrade. Try the upgrade here, and then I wanna print some here. 3 265 away. Okay, here. Let's try it. This car has only 40 battery, and then how if we my car that get range here, but I wanna the first one, but I wanna add here my car dot battery dot upgrade, because we want to upgrade battery here, because the upgrade battery is here, and then the output the battery upgrade to 65 kWh capacity. So the first one and the second one, because we're calling here get range, and then if we add this 55, so if we want to get range again, we want to calling here, because the change is battery upgrade, and then wait a minute. So that's why I wanna just this car can go about 20-25 miles in a full of charge. So we want to we upgrade the battery here, because if we have like a self battery here, and then the battery size is 65, then it is like a back to here battery size, and then the output will be this car can go about 20-25 mil here range in the full charge. So I think you should see an increase in the, yes, you shall see increase in the range. Yes, the range is up, and then call the get range. Yes, in the second time. Yep, we get the first range. Okay, that's why, and that's done. I'm done with this code. Sorry. But yeah, it is like a long questions, but it is like seems like 9x, but this house that I'm excited, but I'm overwhelmed with all of this. So yeah, I wanna representing the first one, that I have class the car. It's like a general class, and then I have like electric car just only for the specific electric car. And then yeah, you just get the init and the self battery. This is the init. It seems like your parent class, that is self, make, model, and year. That's right. And then okay, that is just only. And then the the battery is like is the name is composition. The battery itself is like we would like to specific just only for the battery of the electric car battery, but it is more specific just only for the battery. That is the way is the compositions. So we would like to add default value as a 14 battery size, and then we call as a attribute here is the name if battery size, and then we can make a method that describe battery is this car as only absolutely the 40 kWh battery, 40 kWh, because we just add here as a 40, right? And then we can get range how long, if we have like just only 40 kWh battery, how long the means will for charge, how long the car will going. So we would like have get a range. So if self the battery is 40, the range is 150 mils one. But if the elf battery is maybe 65, the car will be longs like as 20-25 mils in a full of charge. So we know that the battery, if we can upgrade, we can charge the battery, right? So I would like maybe the battery size to make bigger. Maybe we can buy another battery size that is much bigger, and the upgrade size, the meaning is if we add the battery is 40, we would like to change this to 65. That's why this battery upgrade to 65 capacity is okay if you has maybe calling here as a the battery size here, then here. And the other one, this battery has already upgrade if what's the meaning, if the self battery is 65. That's why the maximum is maybe like the maximum capacity of the battery is 65, and then yeah, done. There are no more upgrade after that. But I wanna passing my my argument here that Nissan Leaf and the 2024, the output will be here because we just calling the descriptive name here 2024 Nissan and Leaf. And then the first one, my car, and then my car, and then where's here the battery, and then here the battery get what do you mean, the battery size here. I'm sorry, describe battery, where's the describe here. So because we just only have battery size is 14, this car has only 40 kWh battery each. That's right. That's why the output will be here, just only here. And if the 40, we know that we got the get range, and the output will be this car can go about 150 mils on a full charge. That's why here. Okay, done. We get the get range here, the first one, get range. But if we want to make an upgrade battery here, in the battery, if we have like a self battery size, we want to make sure to get the upgrade battery here, and then we change the battery here 40 with the 65. Yep, we changes this battery upgrade to 65 capacity. That's why the output will be this battery upgrade to 65 kWh capacity, because we changes the capacity of our battery, our car battery. That's right. And then after we change this to upgrade, because the value is 65, if we want to get a range, we get the LF here, because this is we are false, we are not 40 again, but we have 65, right? 65, the range will be 20-25 miles in a full of charge. So that's why if I calling my car as an instance, and then battery here, and then get a range, the output will be this car can go about 20-25 miles in a full of charge here. That's the meaning of these questions, and then how to solve this. So I'm sorry, it is like a long way to writing here, but yeah, done. And then don't forget to just add to your GitHub. Nay, I would like to just only any privilege. I want to change the privilege. I don't know. Is it yes, I have changes here. It's okay. Yeah. Yes, I'm sorry. This same attribute and system here. Hope cap. Yup. Please try another questions. I'm sorry if it is take a long time to get it done. Yep. But I hope in the next step, in the next question, it is like more search. But yeah, I think it is quite interesting question, and I hope make you understand about the whole process, about the composition inheritance, and the whole process, what's the meaning, and then using attribute instance and etc. So yeah, let's try another question in class. So bye bye.